The most interesting topics that I really on the topics on buy on dips and buy on breakouts. My name is Auquasyah. I'm from Shah Alam. So my background is I'm from financial industry. So the main purpose I'm coming to this class is to learn what is the techniques that be used by all the successful traders in the world and Malaysia specifically. Overall class, I find it really interesting because the way they teach us is actually they'll be using a few case study to help us to understand the practicalities of the chart and those technical analysis. The most interesting topics that I really on the topics on buy on dips and buy on breakouts, because that's how we can earn the money. The things that I learned very useful in the future is actually I like when Sifu say price discounts everything. So whenever you see in the chart, it's actually discounted everything, every news that happens in the world. The lecture is very interesting, very good, very engaging, I could say, because if I have any question, I can directly engage with the Sifu and ask what are things that I don't understand or need clarification.